Okay, so with naming the vertex and sides of each angle. Again, notation is where I see like how we're notating some things. So, Justice, I want you to come up on the board and tell me, name the vertex and the sides of the angle. You're good. Not pass. Nope. Nope, you can do it. You can do it. And again, pay attention to your notation. How are you naming them? So you should have one vertex, right? And two, just the word vertex is fine. I said just the you could write the word vertex. If you, it's okay. It's kind of tricky. Down here. I'm sorry. You have. I didn't give you the pen.
Yeah, guys.
It was my fault.
Bullying me.
Yeah. So what is the vertex? Oh, you forgot what it is. Okay, so the vertex is the angle where they meet. Okay, so on your paper, you need to go ahead and write yours and then see if you get the same answer as Justice gets. Yep. Yep. Yep, the vertex and then the sides of the angle. Mm-hmm. Yes. It's okay. I was like, you don't even have to write all that. You're writing way more than you have to. And this is the notation that I'm talking about. Like, how do we write this side? Okay, kind of, but no. This is a mistake that we're making. Okay, because there needs to be a comma and there does need to be a line, but you're showing me this is a line segment. And I don't want a line segment. Okay, I want it to show me that it's a ray. A ray has an endpoint and it continues on in one direction. Okay, good. Yes, okay. So typically when we write them, you would write the M first, the endpoint. It's fine. This is fine because you wrote your ray the right direction. Good. Okay, Tori, come up and do the next one.
Number 2?
Yes. Yeah. And you might change the color. I don't know. I know the green was really hard for on the video, Lauren said. Okay, so the vertex, you can just list the vertex. What letter is the vertex? D. Good. Good. So the sides are ray DC and ray DE. Perfect. You don't have to pass it on to Lucas. You don't have to even put the dot as long as there's not an arrow, right? Okay. Okay. The comma is a minor concern of mine too. But we have to get the notation down. It's okay. Like I said, the comma is a minor concern. All right. Yeah, you have to use the pen part. There you go. You got it. It's all right. Okay, so R is the vertex. You might have to move your body. There you go. That is a Q. Okay, so you're telling me segment RS. Good. Perfect. So I know R is the endpoint. It's my vertex. Awesome. Pass it on to Caden. We are going to do all of these. We're not going to do them all on the board. But I am going to get all of you up there now because this is the part that I'm like, once we can get our notation, we can do better. You're all right.
Is this purple? Yes, pink. Or is that purple?
Who knows if it's pink or purple? It's like an in-between color. It's like a peeper.
When was that?
Okay, T is the vertex. Good. No, that's great. It's fine. We don't need perfection. All right, and the sides are Ray TU. Love it. And Ray TS. Awesome. Okay, so that notation. Good. How about, let's go down to 5. Name each angle in 4 ways. How do I notate, how do I notate an angle? Or I put a little angle. Got it? Okay. All right, so I put a little angle. So it says name each angle in 4 ways. So each of these should have 4, but I put a little angle sign every time. So I could call this angle what? CDE. Perfect. I could call it angle EDC. Okay, I got 2 more.
Could you do ECD? But that's like.
Nope, it has to have the vertex in the middle. Uh-huh. We could call it angle D, because it's the only angle that D makes, is the vertex of. Nope. Angles have to have 3 or 1.
Angle 3.
Angle 3. Because angle 3 is saying it's this one in here. Now, it would be problematic if I had this. None of those could be named angle F. Because there's this angle here in there. There is also this angle here. And there's also the angle that's made by the 2 of them together. So angle F in that case would apply to 3 different angles. So we can't call any of those angle F if there were multiples together. Does that make sense? If they share the same vertex. Okay, which is not the case, but I wanted to give you an example. So in number 6, how will we name those angles?
Angle F.
So angle F, angle GFE, angle 4 I heard, and angle EFG. Okay, so that is it. I want you to work on those and notation, the front and the back of these worksheets.